In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share web pages, manage web links, and connect to cloud services in Engage. To share a page from a website, open your menu or tablet and select Web. Navigate to the page you want to share. If you want to load a previously saved web link, select Web Links and choose the desired link. Once the page is ready, select Start Sharing. If the web browser audio isn't working, a warning will appear. You can check the box to hide this warning in the future, then click Continue. If a warning about a 5-minute share limit appears, select Continue. Once sharing begins, your view will switch to the shared screen page of your menu or tablet. The shared web page will appear on public screens within the session and on the shared screen page of each user's menu or tablet. To stop sharing, simply select Stop Sharing. You can also use web links to save and access websites conveniently while in a session. To create a web link, open your menu or tablet and select Web. Then choose Web Links and My Web Links. Select New Link, then enter a title, URL, and description. The title will appear in your list of saved links. Select Save to store the link. If you want to save the page currently displayed in your browser, copy the URL from the address bar and paste it into the URL field before saving. To load a website from a web link, open your menu or tablet, select Web. Then go to My Links and choose the link you want. The website will load in your browser. To edit a web link, open Web Links, find the link you want to edit, select More, then Edit. Update the title, URL, or description as needed, and select Save. To delete a web link, go to My Links, select the More icon for the link you want to remove, choose Delete, and confirm by selecting Delete Link. Engage also allows you to connect your account to cloud services like OneDrive or Dropbox to access files stored in the cloud. To connect to OneDrive, open your menu or tablet, select Web, then Web Links, followed by Other Links and Cloud Connections. In the OneDrive panel, select Connect, sign in to your OneDrive account, and choose Yes when prompted to stay signed in. Once connected, a OneDrive link will appear under the Other Links tab, allowing you to browse folders and select files to load in your browser. Connecting to Dropbox works in the same way. Open Web Links, select Other Links, then Cloud Connections. In the Dropbox panel, select Connect, sign in, and follow the on-screen instructions to grant access. Once connected, a Dropbox link will appear under Other Links, allowing you to browse folders and open files in your browser. To disconnect a cloud connection, open Web Links, choose Other Links, then Cloud Connections, and find the panel for the connection you want to disconnect. Select Disconnect, confirm by selecting Yes, and then select Back to return from the confirmation or sign-in page. And that's it. You now know how to share web pages, manage web links, and connect to cloud services in Engage.